Well, after I did the work to clean Fluffy's nest out of here, lubricate those chains and clean things up under here, what I've discovered is that everything seems to be working just fine, but I can't get all the way up to the speed number 6. I only get number 5. At number 5, the disc is the friction disc, and is as far over on the edge of the pressure plate as it can go. So really what's happening is I'm at full speed, full fast speed, which is 6 when I'm actually in 5. And then at the other extreme, when I come to reverse number 1, the friction disc is actually right in the middle of the pressure plate, so I'm not moving anywhere. I do move in reverse when I move it over here to 2. And so what I've discovered is, I think it's just a very simple, this rod is misaligned. See, it's not coming up straight, it's off centered here. So if I loosen these 2 screws and realign this disc, this rod with the the part it connects to, I think everything's going to be fine. I'll get 6 when I move it to 6, and I'll get reverse 1 and 2. So I think it's really as simple as loosening, readjusting, and retightening those screws. So let me give that a try. Well, all that remains is to fire it up and see if we got all 4 speeds. So what I'll do is, I got it here in 1, we'll go up through 1 through 6, and we'll see if we can get reverse in both speeds. Okay, we got all 6 forward speeds and both 2 of the reverse speeds. So I think simply straightening out that handle, as well as doing some cleanup down below, is all that it took. Appreciate your watching. Leave your comments and questions, and I look forward to seeing you all on the next video. Bye-bye.